Your thyroid is a vital part of your body that helps control energy and metabolism. When your thyroid is not working properly, you may develop a range of health issues and symptoms. Managing thyroid disease can be challenging and confusing. That's why the endocrinology experts at AACE have created the Journey for Patients with Thyroid Disease. This journey is your roadmap for up-to-date information and resources to navigate your condition, treatment plan, and wellness goals, no matter where you are in your journey with thyroid disease. There are 5 steps to the journey, and each covers a different part of your thyroid disease experience. In the Signs and Symptoms section, you'll learn important facts about your thyroid and which signs and symptoms are associated with common thyroid conditions and when to see your healthcare professional. The Screening section explores the tests healthcare professionals use to evaluate thyroid health. You'll even learn how to check your thyroid at home. If you suspect thyroid problems or symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. The Diagnosis section outlines the different types of tests used to learn more about your thyroid condition. Undiagnosed thyroid issues can increase your risk for other serious conditions such as cardiovascular disease, obesity, osteoporosis, and infertility. Although thyroid disease is often a lifelong condition, it can be managed. The Planning and Treatment section describes treatment options for common thyroid conditions, including medication, surgery, and follow-up care. You'll also learn how treatment is monitored. The Care and Continuity section includes information and resources to help you navigate your health. Learn how to incorporate healthy lifestyle choices, medications, and supplements, and find support groups you can connect with to enhance your overall health. 20 million Americans have thyroid disease. If you're one of them, AACE will be by your side at every step of your journey. Get started on the Journey for Patients with Thyroid Disease today. Visit aace.com/thyroid journey. Support provided in part by AbbVie.